Hey, Mike with CoachMikeMcDonald.com here. In today's video, I'll be showing you why you need to stop boosting posts on Facebook and what strategy works better to generate cleaning leads. So let's get into it. This is the exact reason you need to stop boosting posts for your cleaning business. You see, most cleaning businesses create posts, their cleaning shots, their time-lapse videos, their special offers, and they just go out and boost that post. And this is a huge mistake that could be just throwing your ad spend away. Because here's the thing, targeting matters. And when you're boosting a post, it's really like throwing flyers outside of a plane and hoping that they land on the right house that's ready to hire your cleaning service. Another common issue with boosting posts is that it's really designed to boost engagement and comments on these posts rather than driving people to a call to action or sending them to your website to request an estimate. So if you really want targeted leads, you need to dive into the ads manager of Meta and Facebook and really optimize your targeting and messaging if you want to increase conversions. The thing is that inside of the ads manager, you can actually create things like lookalike audiences that target people that look and act just like those that have already requested estimates. You can even upload a targeted list of customers that have already bought from you and build an audience based on that and target specific cities that you want to do business in. When you advertise like this, it's more like using a rifle approach rather than a shotgun approach, and targeting matters. And so that's really the big difference. Instead of boosting a post and getting likes, you use targeted ads and get leads. So stop paying for surface level activity and instead use tools that can actually help you scale your cleaning business, and I promise your bank account will thank you. And if you did need more high quality cleaning leads for your cleaning business, definitely consider becoming a partner of ours, where we've actually put together a system to help cleaning business owners generate high quality cleaning leads for their business on autopilot. So if you did want to learn more about that and becoming an exclusive partner of ours, click on the link in the description below to do so. And if you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications to get the latest updates of new videos we put out. But once again, thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk to you more soon.